Welcome YouTube. So I'll be going over pivoting into a tech career for those of you who didn't get a computer science degree from college. So before you go to a boot camp or internship, or there's different options to learn computer science, computer programming, computer engineering. There's different terms for it. But yeah, before you go into an intensive learning environment, you need to practice and set up different things. So yeah, first, practice typing, because you'll be typing a lot. You also need to get, like different keyboard shortcuts like copy, paste, Control-C, Control-P for a Windows. If you use a Mac, Command-C for copying, Command-P for pasting. I've never used a Mac, so you'll have to look up keyboard shortcuts. Another one, watch a lot of free YouTube videos on intro, or look for like keywords beginner or intro to programming for beginners. A good one that I like is Harvard's CS50 YouTube channel. They have really good high quality videos that explain the basics of computer programming, like the algorithms, how computers process information, to display and create all the things that we consume. Another good one is Free Code Camp, and there's other, programs that you can look into. So the basic idea is to consume as much free content as possible before you go into boot camps or to a school where you're going to pay a lot of money. And also, when you attend boot camps or any accelerated program, it's going to be intensive. You'll be in a cohort where there's people who've been programming for quite a few years. Like there's a range of experiences there, so you don't want to be the person who has no idea what they're doing. Another great one is I first got into computer science by going into scratch.mit.edu. There's also another one called code.org. It's, the interface is designed for kids, but adults can also use it. It teaches you programming concepts like loops and how to create variables. And you can make cute stuff. It's pretty nice. You can remix different things. Look up Google CS First program and go through their curriculum. Don't look down on it because it's designed for kids, right? Yeah, so if you go to Google CS First program and go to, use scratch.mit.edu to learn all these basic concepts in computer science, it'll make it easier for you to understand algorithms. Algorithms are basically the way that computers process information, how they do things over and over again. So yeah, learn the basic concepts in computer science. There's different kinds of loops. There's the for loop, which goes an item at a time based on the length of the list or array. There is the while loop, which goes on basically forever until a certain condition is met. There's for in loops. There's for each loops. So there's all these different kinds of loops. And that's how, like you make loops, you create variables. That's the building block. Those are the building blocks of algorithms. There's more, but those are the basic. Learn CSS, cascading style sheets, and HTML. Hypertext markup language. Those two, CSS and HTML, are the basic building blocks for building websites. And as far as like building front end applications, learn CSS and HTML. It's pretty fun actually, HTML and CSS. So yeah, the basic idea is to consume as much free content. Here on YouTube, there's free content and, like high grade education. If you go to edX, just go to Google, search EDX, and there's Ivy League schools that post different courses on various topics. They post it there. You can audit the class, or you can pay for the class and get certifications. So yeah, I'm highlighting different programs to go into. And then also, I would say to download Visual Studio Code. And Visual Studio Code it's a it's like a, what is it? Development interface where you can like put in algorithms and see what outputs come out. There's the community version that you don't need to pay for, so you can download it for free. And then make an account on GitHub. All these things that I'm listing out are free. You don't need to pay anything. Yeah, so make an account on GitHub and continually push your code to a repo you create. So you create a repo on GitHub and then clone it into your computer, and then every time you make a change, leave a commit message and push it onto GitHub. That way, when you're going out there to look for a job, prospective employers will be able to see your coding skills. Cool. So yeah, thanks for watching this video. Like and subscribe.